What did you eat? Oxtail?
We stayed true to the pact. No comfort zones, no safety nets, only places none of us have been to. We pulled up, and it was closed. So naturally, we went on a side quest. Shout out to Limerick Pub for holding us over. Let's try again. Episode 3, Giselle's Creole Cuisine. Right away, you could tell this place was mom and pop in the best way. With family photos on the wall, families coming for lunch after church, and a stage for birthday party karaoke nights. Fair warning, the food comes on island time, which means relax. You're not at Chipotle. We started with Creole patties, then we shared a whole fried red snapper, vegetable stew, and oxtail stew. And listen, those oxtails, definition of tenderism.
If they tender ain't the word.
And every single entree came with a different kind of rice. Of course, in between bites, we solved absolutely nothing. Topics included sleep remedies we swear by, our elite childhood combo, Frito Twist, and a large Arizona iced tea. And what YouTube video the guys have been watching. This isn't a food review, just 4 old friends trying new places, side questing when necessary, and talking about absolutely everything. So, where are we going next? Give us a side quest for next week.